Hi. So, as I promised, yeah, to you, I'm visiting Hannover Messe, and I'm actually in a very beautiful area from Hannover, and I got an Airbnb, and I'm moving now toward the Messe. And yes, I will probably have some delays, but we'll see. I hope that everything works out good. And then today, I guess, because I'm only here for one day, so I'm planning just maybe to visit the Halle numbers 2 and 5 to 11, because they are mostly focused on automation, industrial automation, sensor technology, and everything. So I'm going there and keep you informed. Yeah, let's do it. So I realized that actually I don't need to buy a ticket for this messe. If you have bought the ticket for the messe, so it's free. You can actually use the Verkehr system, like the public transport in Germany. So this is a good positive thing that I learned now from my ticket. I don't have to pay any extra fees, and that's a good thing. So the bus or the train stopped to continue its way, so we have to walk. That's so unfortunate. I think it takes about 20 minutes walk. So again, look at this whole area. This huge construction site. Behind me, a lot of buildings, a lot of construction. I don't know why, because maybe there is lack of housing in Hannover, but they all look the same to me, at least. So I probably was better to come with your auto, your car. It is easier because of this problem that always exists with Deutsche Bahn. I don't want to complain, but it is the reality. See the other side. Ethercat. That's cool stuff. Table automation. It's crazy how diverse it is, from analog, digital, but it's basically working on Ethercat, and also it has a field box. Cool stuff. Oh, look at this one. TwinCAD automation software. So basically TwinCAD PLC, TwinCAD HMI, TwinCAD measurement, motion, connectivity, IoT, vision, TwinSafe, and you have HMI, safety, robotics, even it's compatible with MATLAB, machine learning, vision. Basically, it's a nice package, not bad. This is a very cool thing. So you see that everything is like self-drive. So and it takes until 10 kilogram force. It can be evacuated. But the cool thing is that they are really independent from each other. They can be planned to move accordingly to the motion plan. So that's something cool about BEKHOFF. Also, look at this one. This I don't know how is it possible. It's a little bit actually over. There's a little bit, I see a distance. That's cool, alright? They move actually quite independently, and then actually jumps as well. Look at this one. It's crazy. It's actually hovering around us. BEKHOFF is really huge. Look at the size of the servo motor. This one is 92 Newton meter, has a Newton meter torque, and turns around about 1000 RPM, and is about 7 kilowatts. It's amazing. The variety of the servo motors here is amazing. Let's go. I see it's about 3D printers or 3D scanners. I hope that I can go inside and see this technology. It's a 3D scanner, and we see that there is actually one component that they are making that. And you see that the 3D model is already there. So by scanning the 3D, they can. So yeah, so of course it's keyence. They're also well known in sensor technology and really cool stuff here. Again, you see how accurate it is actually. Curves, even it can measure the angles. So this is basically documented now. And now we get to PHONIXCONTACT. Let's see what are interesting. And in phonics, we see a robotic workshop a little bit further or closer. Let's see how it's. It's crazy. So basically doing the job of an electrician. So it makes wires. Oh, I love this. So we see these guys every day in our electrical cabinets. So they are well known for modules that works with wiring systems and everything. So this is phonics stands. So they're well known for these things that it's actually, as I said, the critical components for connection to the wires and everything. So they're well known for these kind of things. I don't know if Phonics, I guess it has also its own PLC. So yeah, PLC Mix is actually coming from Phonics, and this is their PLC, very small, but yeah, practical. So Phonics has its own PLC, and the technology is Phonics Next. Also the safety, they're active in safety, of course, and the I/O links and everything. Your global automation partner, Truck. Let's go to Truck and see what's there. Again, this pick and place and independence movement of uh, conveying system. Proud of you. So of course Siemens is so big that it's not possible to put everything in one stand. This is reasonable. It's a huge line actually, I don't know why. And why they're waiting for okay, welcome to Siemens. There is probably a talk going on. Look at this one. It's about plantation, right? So basically indoor farming. It gets self-sufficient, gets the power from the top, and basically just try to provide even the detection, so harvest, production, and the count of the products that are basically ready or to be picked up or to be harvested. So it's the vision and everything. So sustainability from the other way around. It's a battery pack module, so it's assembly. Assembly things with batteries. It is a group with the vision system and to identify if the location of everything is working. Oh, yeah, these are the most well-known. So components for charging infrastructure. Okay, this is actually a charging infrastructure from wago for electrical autos. It's like that. Charging infrastructure in certified energy manufacturing. And wago also has its own power supply, safe function via even of power interruption, emergency power supply, basically. So I think they are more into electrical charging and power supply for electrical vehicles, maybe. I don't know. These are very, very practical in your work. If you are working with wires, different types of clips that you can actually use this thing for your work. We have it as a company. They have actually integrated the robot system. Just they do the electrician job. So the robot is actually putting everything and assembling everything inside the cabinet. So did you hear that? And so it picks up everything and then just puts. Hi, can I ask you a question? Is it made from wago? Wago is building actually this robot, or it's coming from another manufacturer?
The robot is from FANUC, but the whole production system we developed as a system integrator.
Ah, cool. And how efficient is that? What is the rate? So because I guess there is the rate of the failure. So if something drops that does not really match, what is the solution?
At the moment, this is a demonstration project.
Yeah.
So this is the first setup for these small distribution panels.
Yeah.
And we are not in a stadium where we can directly industrialize this demonstrator. But we are working on further applications where we can set up yeah, uh, new requirements with further customers and yeah, step by step we would like to develop the product further and yeah.
And probably the inspection comes with the vision systems, and then it can be really complete with further inspection from the assembly.
Yeah, for sure. So we are coming. So, so we come from our smart designer or the online configurator smart designer. Here we can export the configuration of the rail, bring it to our production application where we can create production orders with the combination of several rails we exported from our smart designer and bring them to our production planning system. And if we release then the production order here, it goes directly to the robot system. So without any programming, you are able to control the robot only by configuring the terminal block rails.
Schneider is also one of the major manufacturer of industrial automation components, and they are now working in logistic, I guess. So
safe to connect with humans. So here at the moment I can interact, no danger. Also the carrier is no force, really safe, while the rest of the system is still operating. And now for you,
so it's a kind of interaction between the robots and the robotic force cells. There is a Delta robot which is working, and the robot actually closes everything and then goes back and do the job, and then when it is needed comes back and interact with the human. I don't know what is exactly picking up, but okay, yeah, again, so the the second version, which it can goes to the second level of, so it's quite safe, the safety is there, but whatever it is produced here from the first phase can be delivered to the second phase.
it's a very modular, flexible system. You see the small segments. Certain segments in the base
So modularity is quite obvious